Okay, let's do this fucking shit.
How's she going there, guys? Welcome to another episode of Three Toe Customs. I'm Three Toe Joe, and I'm about to install a wiper here on my new windshield that we just made not too long ago. I ordered a kit off Amazon. It comes with basically everything you need. It comes with a wiper arm, a wiper blade. I got the manual style here. You'll see how that works in a bit if you ain't already ever seen one. They work half decent. I had one on my other 800. It seemed to work all right the way that it was set up. It wasn't by no means perfect, but it definitely worked. It also comes with a nice little washer tank here. Nice sized tank. I mean, it's not gigantic, but there ain't a ton of room in here to mount these. It comes with a nice mounting bracket for it also. So, I mean, I think we'll be able to get this mounted here. I don't know. Shouldn't take too long anyhow. Let's give her a whirl and see how she goes. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna mount this guy up into the firewall here and what we do for that, because I noticed there's a little bit of a tricking around there. But you guys will see this here in a second. So right on. Let's get right into her. See what we can do. Okay, so first things first. I don't know if you guys can see down into here real well, but I clean this up a little bit, but you can see the numbers here. It says 1, 2, 3, and it goes again here. There, 1, 2, 3. This is your diagnostic port. So basically, what I'm thinking is this must just be a little push-in style clip. Yep. So we're gonna try to get this guy off here without breaking the clip here, please. And if we can do that, we're going to show you. We're going to push this guy over to here, I think. Yeah, the wire's pretty short. We could go here, but there's no point. We're going to go into here. There you go. This guy has made my life so much easier. Instead of looking for drill bits and shit. You want to be careful here not to nick any of your other wires, but looks nicer than Polaris, this hole. If you're wondering, I went to the 1/4 inch size here, in case you're wondering what the size of the hole ended up being. So easy as pie. This should just pop right in here now. There you go. So it's put there from the factory. Now we got tons of room to put our bottle. It's tons of room, but we got room. We got just enough room. Right set up, but I'm just going to use these nice screws that they provided in the package. Very thick, coarse screws, so they'll grab in them. Exactly what they intended, but that'll work. So here's something that I should point out that I really like, is the connector on here comes with a nice pre-made connector made to fit perfectly and clip in nicely. So there's no guessing game of which wire's which or what's not. They already got that figured out for you, and it just clips in there nice and tight. Not too bad. Plug right in the motor, same type of motor as what you find on your car or truck. Nothing different. Let's see if we can get our bottle mounted in there. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, so there we go. I went and I picked myself up a 14-inch wiper blade here. Hopefully This will do the trick for what I need it to do. It'll definitely fit the window a lot better. I could have even went, yeah, I should have even went maybe 15, but whatever. This will do. This won't get fetched up anywheres. Perfect. So we'll get to installing that. Finding a good spot where I can reach it. Perfect. So you guys can see, so I moved my mirror, this nice mirror, the way that it's set up. The brackets are really adjustable, so I can push it out. So you can see from where I'm sitting, I got no problem even if I was trapped in a harness. I got short legs, but I got long arms. So I have no problem reaching right up there in the center, so I'd be able to do a whole complete swipe and wipe the whole window. Nice. That's what I need. Not in the way. I can live with that. Be able to readjust our mirror down here bigger. Nice. Streamline. Alright, so we'll take you here to the bench. Now these are the nozzles that were provided in the kit. These are what I'm going to use just because, you know, they got the look, they got the streamline. They just seem more appropriate for what I'm going to use them for. I do have these nice looking ones here, these nice chrome ones, but there's just no chrome on my machine. And I just feel for the better look and the better fit and finish, this will be a lot better for what I'm going to use. And this is the button that they provide you with for the sprayer. So let's get to her. Let's see what we got here. So anyways, yeah, I mean, we got the nozzles are in there. We're not going to mount them up too tight because everything's coming back out of this hood. We're going to be picking everything out apart here. We're going to be taking the logo off here, the front here that we put on here, Freddy's Revenge, because we're going to be attempting to hydro dip this hood. Hey, you heard me right. I'm going to attempt hydro dipping. And this hood here is quite the YouTube horror, you know. I bought this one here off the guy that does the XMAR channel on YouTube here. He's got a little channel going on. Yeah, he's a member of RZR Canada, and I thought this would look pretty cool, so I bought this one, and I thought it was pretty cool that he featured it in a video already. So it's getting passed around video style, so you guys are seeing it. Okay, so since we have plenty of pipe here, I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna no sense of wasting anything here since our junction is almost just right about the center. I'm just going to bend this right in two. Make sure we got just about equal lengths here, and we'll just take our side cutters, or side cutters, yes, our linesmans, two fairly equal lengths, and we'll just go straight ahead. These to doctor. Alright, so we got all kinds of excess here. We got just about the same thing on both sides. Well, it's not a ton that it's gonna, I don't think it'll interfere with anything down there, but I'll be able to lift up my hood good enough to get at what I need to get at. down under. Nice. Nothing wrong with that at all. Alright, next we're going to start playing around with this wiring here. Alright, we're going to be using 16 gauge wire. So you guys can see that properly. 16 gauge automotive wire here. And the ground. From the right side this time. Alright, so there you have it. We got our hoses hooked up. Plenty of room to pull our hood off if we need to get under there to check our radiator fluid or whatnot. Since there ain't really much else under there. We're going to get this locked up and we'll give her a test on the button. Nice. Alright, hood's on. So far everything seems good. Let's jump in here and give this a shot. Key on. That should give us the power. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We just need to set the shit out of that and we're good. And right now we're shooting. Bam, bam. Alright, so we're gonna get these set here and I'll give you guys a shot here. Yeah, I'll give you guys if you guys can see. Here, let's change the view. Not an easy thing to really show. But yeah. You can point these. It's almost like a little ball. Almost like the side of a little ball socket. You can move them up and down side to side to get them. Alright, let's try hit and record this time. Might work better. Let's try our sprayers out one more time here. Getting the windshield pretty good. Yeah. Just in time too, we're running out of water again. Wiper works good. This job done. Out of water again. This thing will suck the water down. Jet sprayers on the hood. Mostly for snow, but you know what? I mean, there's some times of the year we go out and it thaws out a little bit and shit flies up in the windshield. And that's just how she goes, so. Nice. Maybe we go for a drive now. Sweet.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I